And so, my friend, welcome to Jamaica. So what up guys, back again. So just have a quick pit stop. Just gonna grab some mango real quick. Yeah. I think for these one are going for like 2,000, the bigger one. The smaller one going for like 1-2. And you get like I think 6-7 mango inside of it. These one right here guys are called June plum. So I'll just zoom in. So these one right here. Really nice. Really nice guys. June plum. Exactly plum, but just smaller. Jamaican style, but yeah, I think for in the market we get them for like 100 a bag, but because we slightly out of the market and these guys buy it from the market, so they kind of bump the price up slightly. So a bag from here we get it for so a bag from here, as well said, you get it for 150 and so on and so forth. But yeah, not a bad price. I mean, it's alright, but yeah, man. So,
this is East Indian.
Right.
This one I don't.
St. Julian and East Indian.
This is East Indian.
No man, Julie that man. Julie man. Yeah? Nice one, nice one. No, we get some plum as well. Oh my, pick off a plum then. Feel them up.
Yeah, to feel them up, we can buy.
So yeah, Mike is singing right here, the Gallem singer. I pick up some plum. So we normally do, you feel up the plum, yeah, you feel them, make sure so they're not soft. You know what I mean? You just want them soft, but not too soft.
Do you know what they soft so much, Jenna?
Tough one, did I?
Find it tough one, I don't want to touch it, I think I want to leave, my principle. Find it tough one. Right now we have some chule mango. Some East Indian over here. Wonderful, beautiful East Indian, well nice and tight. And chule well nice and tight. And we have some plum. The great Jamaican plum. This is not American or English or Canadian plum. This is Jamaican plum. And when you come to Jamaica, you don't get this plum, you don't get fun. So you got to have this plum.
I chef this?
No, chef this in the kitchen. A great kitchen. That's where we season up and fix up everything. We're doing some curry chicken. This is a carrot, Irish potato, onion, scallion, sweet potato, and sweet pepper, and all those stuff. So I'm gonna put it added over right now into the curry chicken. This is a curry chicken we're doing. And this is so wonderful and beautiful. So this is how we color it and make it look pretty. And make it look beautiful when it come out. So this is the way we do it when we do it in Jamaica. And then when we put in that, we stir our pot, put it together. This is what we do. Bring the beautiful color. You see how the curry look rich? The real Jamaican curry. This is the curry we use, the official Jamaican curry. That's what make it the flavor. If you don't got this curry, you're not gonna get the beautiful flavor. Got a little plantain here we just finished peeling, cut up. We're gonna fry this to go with the rice and the white rice we have, shelly nice basmati rice. Well, this is the okra, cucumber, this is the cabbage with the onion, scallion, nice tomato cut up in it, and sweet pepper. And that we're gonna do. We're gonna put it on right now, get it. And this is a great butter bean, lasco. The last we gotta put into the pot. I know many people never see that done before, but you're gonna see it from this kitchen, Mike's Stinger kitchen, the great kitchen.
Yes, a question I want to ask. Which part you learned to cook?
Well, I learned to cook from my mom. My mom is the greatest. When I say the greatest, I mean the greatest. I don't got a dad. So
everybody will say that, man. You know, their mom is the greatest.
Why I don't get to learn from my dad? Because I don't got a dad. My mom is a father and mother and everything. So I give God thanks for that lady. She's so wonderful and beautiful. Mama Olive, you're the greatest. She's the one who teach me to cook. She always beat me to come in the kitchen to learn. And I'm thankful because now I can tell anyone, I can do it all over, anyhow, anywhere, anytime, outside, inside, anywhere. I'm great at this thing. This is my gift and I give her thanks for that every time. So that's where I learned to cook beautiful. I can't bake, but I'm great in cooking. Tell you straight out.
Kitchen with my brother. Whipping up some food. It's warm in here, I ain't gonna lie to you.
Yeah.
Finger on the broken. Yeah, so now we're gonna do some planting now. So as I say guys, these are bought in the market. You can see papaya. Cut this open. That's a yellow guys. I'll do that next time anyway. I'm not eating it now. Papaya again. Look like mango, however it's not mango, papaya. And this one here, mango. Really nice. It busts open nice and yellow. Really good. Make you guys see that I'm not joking, yeah?
He's in Jamaica. He's in Jamaica.
So that's what I'm talking about. Focus on that. Really nice. Tastes like honey. You guys are missing out. I know someone who loves mango as well, and she's gonna comment on this post as well. So yeah, don't worry. I'll make sure I bring some back for you. Yeah, this girl said mango is her favorite thing, so I can't violate, mate.
No, mate.
Set this camera down right here.
You know, I'm cooking the book.
I don't got my tripod with me now, guys. I'm trying my best to set that up. And this is where we eat mango as well in Jamaica. Yeah. You know, we don't cut it and thing and splice it up and all that. Use our teeth, bite in, and munch away.
Munch away, right away. That's munchy.
I'm sorry, but it gotta get done. Miss this life. It's crazy because earlier it was raining, yeah? And normally, before we used to have a mango tree in our backyard. And when it rained, like the rain will just like literally pick the right mangoes. So if you don't go there early, someone else will go and pick the mangoes up. So you think in the back of your head that yeah, there's loads of ripe mango falling off the tree. Nah, mate. You're gonna have some neighbors from somewhere walking by and pick them up. I think so. Even when it rains, you have to go out there like in the rain and pick them up. So yeah, miss them life, them little childhood life. You know the way they Mike?
Yes, man. Yes, man. That's true. If we get up early, I used to get up early morning. We go that early morning, used to rise up and get to the mango tree. If you don't get to it early, the next door neighbor gonna first you. I used to have green age, milky mango, stringy, East Indian. Wow. I tell you, those days was the days. Can't come back again. Those was the days. Now these guys not getting up beautiful days like that. Nah. All they're thinking about is gone. No beautiful days. If they get that day, wow, there'll be a man like us now.
Sorry guys, yeah, you really have to watch me eat this mango. And I'm not gonna cut it out. I ain't gonna edit that, but nah man.
Worm.
You know, life too nice. No worm today, another one, another one.
Oh, wow.
Mango done. On to something else. Yeah, so now my brother is putting in the, you know, he has put in plantain. Put in the butter bean. Plantain is in. So plantain, guys, is like banana, but slightly bigger than banana. Tastes nicer as well. So this right here, guys, is plantain. Yeah. As I say, bigger than banana and tastes nicer. You can't really fry banana like that because it just break away.
This is a beautiful cabbage and okra. This is what you're missing back home. You need to come home. This is what you're missing. This is cabbage, okra, sweet pepper, and tomato, onion and scallion and country pepper. But this is how I don't put butter in this. Just tip a little bit higher so you don't get that greasy. You see? That's how it looks. Now you don't overcook it. 15 minutes, turn off the fire. Shake it around like this. Keep it bubbling. This is how you do your cabbage. You don't make it overcook. That's all the substance. Get out of it. This is how you do your cabbage. Don't make it overcook. Just make it be like this. You want a iron. That's what you need it. You don't want it to be soft and pucky. You see how nice this is? Beautiful, ready to go. With bread, anything you want to eat. I'm finished that now. Like I said, just leave it on the fire to go. Good to go. That was my last set of plantain I'm just throwing in. What I'm doing right now. Last set of fried plantain. I'm doing it right now. Which it is good. Get in the kitchen. Rich it is. Rich.
How much can you plant?
Yeah man, get it raw man. We used to put in a bread, hot bread.
Plant right? That one is burning the bread.
No, you're not burn.
I better say the burn.
What you do, say not burn. Watch. Say not burn. Yeah, this is the last set of plantain. I'm finishing up now. So I'm gonna, when I've done this, I'm finished with the kitchen. As I say, this is a beautiful curry over here. Lovely, lovely bubbly. Baked bean inside of it. Lovely. And this is a beautiful vegetable here. Wow, you see the steam? See how beautiful it is? How color it is? Wow, finger licking. I know somebody mouth is running water. I could tell from the distance. This is the plantain that leaf. This is what happened now. I'm finished as you go. And this is what you do. You always, when you fry plantain, get yourself not on towel, put it in the plate, and then it is the one to drain the high off. You know what I'm saying? And put it in the plate like that because it's not going to work. Always put it like that, and then you put the plantain on top. And this is how it comes out. Beautiful.
Give it one I try.
Right.
Let me see.
Yeah. That's it.
Let me see. I'll be the tester. Yeah?
You know those testers what they do? They just eat.
So that's it, guys. I was rudely interrupted. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I'll say I'll give that 8.5. Now what do you think, Mike? 8.5? 8.5, guys. Hey, come on. What's wrong with you? What are you doing? You're gonna break it.
Plantain, vegetable, and I think curry chicken.
Curry chicken. Got you, Maji. Got you.
Yeah,
Mission accomplished, yeah?
Mission accomplished. Between them Fabziy, that's what goes on. Okay, in the kitchen, that's my work. Call me anytime. So I finish, so I clean up at the same time.
So what's the number? You know what number they should call you?
My number is 578-30.
I'm just joking, mate. You know what I mean?
Oh, that's good. They could call me, you never could tell, bro. You never could tell.
Go on. What's the number? What's the number?
578-3077. You never can tell. Anyone want to call me, I'm ready to cook.
Alright, that's it. Yeah, the Jamaican chef. Yeah? We call it the Jamaican chef. Stinger. Stinger the Jamaican chef.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, that's it. A little piece of cooking in the kitchen.
Clean it at the same time. That's the cook good.
I wish I should go. Come in, sir. A bit of cooking in the kitchen, guys. Day turning out nice. It was raining earlier. Now the rain gone now. So now I'm just gonna lift this up. We have a little blinds there so that the rain don't come and wet the sofa up. Yeah. Yeah, guys, my two little ones here, so really noisy. So I ain't gonna even apologize for that. One of them thing. But they are my little lifeline now. My little heartbeat, innit? You my little heartbeat, innit? She pushed me away. I want to say apologies for the sunshine though. No, we ain't going nowhere. Look at them, they're putting on the sliders. No, we ain't going anywhere, baby. We ain't going anywhere. We're staying here, we're gonna eat some food. So anyway, guys, that's it. Gonna cut the vlog off here, so hope you guys enjoy it. Yeah, little cook in the kitchen. I'm gonna taste the food now. I'll tell you how you guys turn out. So anyway, peace, love, and enjoy. It's gonna be like 2 vlogs for within a day, so hey, that's dope. Anyway, see you guys later. Peace.